I guess we're back, and now we're gonna taste it. I really want to eat it.
What you will taste?
The pasta.
Okay, we'll just plate it. So, here you go.
I won't eat the shrimp because Kirsten wants the shrimp more than me. And why don't you tell them what happened earlier? Mommy, when she was cooking, she dropped the shrimp and the shrimp said, "Nah, I'm not gonna eat. I'm not gonna be eating it today." Bruh.
So,
And I laughed so
we will put
hard. I wish I
cheese.
caught it on video. Cheese? Cheese.
Oh.
Cheese. Cheese!
We'll put cheese.
Ah! Be careful, mommy. Don't grab my hand. I still need my 2 little toes and my fingers to touch stuff.
It's yummy.
Cheesy.
Cheesy and...
Delicious.
Okay, try it.
Promise you won't be ingot, mommy?
No, how will I eat it? I will eat also.
Oh, okay. And Gerson just watching outside.
So try to mix it first.
I'm mixing it.
It's saucy.
It's saucy. Mommy also put secret ingredient, but we're not gonna tell that. No, that's why it's called secret. No.
Secret ingredients. Oh, it's not secret ingredient. We show it. Try. Oh my god. Yummy.
It's saucy.
Yummy. You tell daddy. Hi daddy. I'm eating now.
Hey, Daddy. This is gonna be your dinner.
Eat. Come on, eat. Can I try?
Sure, because I can't be able to finish.
Let's see.
That's good.
You.
Hot dog.
Yeah. So you like the hot dog. Mommy likes the mushroom. And Kirsten like the what? The tuna and the
Shrimp.
shrimp. So where is she? So later we'll let her try. So
We'll make sure the
Mommy first and Ate first because you're the one who cooked. You should try your
cookie.
cooking. The food you cook. Okay?
We'll try to make cookies for Christmas.
Yummy. I like it.
I promise I will let Santa eat the cookies, not me.
It's yummy. I like it.
If you notice, there's no more cookies. That is me. Cookie.
Okay. For now, we'll say bye.
I'll be back with Kirsten's reaction.
Bye.